Good morning to one and all. My name is Bhargav Raja. We have done a project on design and analysis of low power area effective hybrid valency multiplier by under the guidance of Vandana Madam. Multiplier is the most basic unit of arithmetic circuits, which is predominantly used in digital processing unit and several integrated circuits. The efficiency of processing unit is measured by its speed and power consumption. The multiplayer circuit involves an extensive use of adders that generally add to its hardware complexity and these to fast processing and also consumes high power. Thus, it becomes critical to improve speed and reduce power consumption in the multiplayer modules. The conventional multipliers implemented using CMOS and GDA technologies and their combination using at least show improved speed and low power consumptions still suffer from high hardware complexity in multipliers. Addition, subtraction, and multiplications accomplishments are commonly used in arithmetic operations in many of the VLSI and DSP architectures. The basic building blocks used for implementing arithmetic operations is the one-bit full adder cell. So enhancing the performance of full adder cell is essential to enhance the overall system or architecture performance. Many full adders are designed explaining different logic styles. Some designs are based on single logic style and some are other designs are multiple designs like high means the hybrid designs. We are using hybrid designs to implement 8-bit valency multiplier. The functionality of every multiplier design is similar, but each are having its own merits and demerits in the terms of performance parameters like area, speed, and power consumption. In our project, propose the design of an 8-bit hybrid fallacy tree multiplier. The proposed design is implemented using Tanner tools and simulated results shown that our proposed method dissipates the low power consumption, less area, and also provides full swing output voltage with a desired speed of operation, which compared the remaining topic will be continued with Jyoti.
Scheming multiplier is used for high speed and low power consumption. The standard designs are of substantial research interest. The generated partial product is reduces, the speed of the multiplier is increases. In multiplication process, the generated partial products are reduces. We in we are doing many several items. In this project, our main aim is design and implementation of Alice multiplayer. The speed of Alice multiplayer is enhanced by compression techniques. By minimizing the full adder and half adder, we can reduces the complexity of multiplayer. The adder is digital circuit. It is used for addition of numbers. The adder is operates in binary numbers. In many computers and other kind of compressor and compressor adders and other kind of processors. Adders are used in arithmetic logic units. Two's complements or one's complements are used to represent the negative numbers, and the other sign numbers are having more logic. In this, we are using two adders. One is full adder and another one is half adder. In this half adder, we are using two inputs and two outputs. Uh, in full adder, we are using three inputs and two outputs. One is sum and second one is add. Multiplier is an electronic circuit. It is used in distant electronics such as computers and multiplying the binary numbers. It is built by binary adders. Multiplier includes high speed, low power consumption and regularity layout. Computer arithmetic operations can be implemented by different multipliers. In this project, we are using multiplier. Ballistic multiplier is a high-speed multiplier. Ballistic multiplier is efficient hardware implementation of digital circuit. Ballistic multiplier based on Wallace tree structure is known as Wallace tree multiplier. The next topic will be continued by Surya Kumar.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Surya, finally RCE. New I my discussion the topic on proposed design used in my project, that is gate diffusion input techniques. The gate diffusion input cell is similarly to a CMOS inverter, which two transistors and three inputs functions, which difference logic can be implemented using this single cell which only transistors. Compared to function in the conversion CMOS logic. The CMOS design mostly depending upon the universal gate. They are varied request from transistor, where the basic gate can be implemented by using single gate diffusion input based gate. Request 6 to 12 transistors. In our project, we are design hybrid gate diffusion input full adder to implemented from the purpose design proposed design on an Wallace structure. The difference between the both CMOS and gate diffusion input techniques is that our spacing in coming to this GD the gate diffusion input techniques, we will reducing the area complexity in our design. By taking this method of cells, we have to implemented an hybrid full gate diffusion input and design our Wallace multiplier is given by my batchmate Shanti. Is continues this topic.
My name is Shanti Aswagil. So I'm discussing about a hybrid full adder. What is a hybrid adder? Hybrid adder, it is a combination of low cost ripple carry or carry chain, which is a carry look ahead and is existing the adders. So in these recent years, ultra low powers, which is operation, it's minimizing and achieving a lower energy consumptions in that. So in this full adder, which is a computational of the arithmetic blocks, in that arithmetic blocks of the full adder, which is e- computing with signal processing or image processing. In these hybrid full adders, designing a 1-bit hybrid full adder, in that using a logical units, in the transistor logical units are used, which is a CMOS transistor used, and also diffusion input transistor logics are used, which is a gate diffusion input transistor logics are used. In this, a hybrid full adder, which is to provide energy sufficiency with less power consumption areas. So in that, so we are designing a 14 gates transistor logic gates are used because of giving a full switching of the wave of the circuit. Normally previously the 7 or 8 transistor logics are used, but they are not occurred in full switching waves. So that's why we are using a hybrid full adder to giving a high full switching gates. Efficiently, we have to minimize and achieve the space of the energy consumption, which is 57% to 97% to we have to control or minimizing the energy sufficiency of the EDA. So in that hybrid full adders, we are using for giving a full switching of the wave. Normally the hybrid full adder of the function, when the transistor in on condition, then the sum will generate on multiplexer 1 and VT is in drop, then the sum will generate on multiplexer 1 and the carry out will generate on multiplexer 2. When this VT and undrop condition, then the transistor will be in incorrect positions. So in this hybrid full adder is used for full switching waves. So the advantages and applications of the hybrid full adder applications are used in digital signal processing, correlation, convolutions are used in these applications. And the advantage of the hybrid full adder, which has a space and area sufficiency are reduced, and power dissipation and delay propagations are reduced in this way because of using a GDI, which is a GDI technology used to reducing the transistor level of this circuit. So in these project of the we are using a valency multiplier. When normally the partial products multiplier and multiplicand, when multiplying, then the partial products are generated, then it means take a lots of area and power dissipation, such time taking process will be generated on the partial products. So that's why in this valency multiplier, it neglect all the times and it's save the time, and once at a time the results will be come. The results will be generated in the valency multipliers. Normally when compared to the transistor level, delay propagations and power propagations, we are comparing the predefined multiplier or the normal valency multiplier. The transistor count is also reduced and the delay propagation is also reduced and the power propagation is also reduced in that valency multipliers. So in this valency multipliers are reduced. So these all the simulation process will be done on the software, which is a Tanner 2 software. We are using a software which is a Tanner 2 software. In this software it is the 16th version of the Tanner 2 software. In this software we are verifying the circuit of the operation by numerically and differentially solving of the circuits. In this software, the simulation, the checking the and it's also verifying by going out on before the process of fabrication.
This is 8-bit hybrid valency multiplier. This is output waveform. This is the schematic view of hybrid GDI valency multiplier and their output results. We are compared with the different multipliers with area, power and delay calculation. The advantage is less area and low power consumption. Finally, we concluded that in microprocessor, multiplication operation is performed in a variety of forms in hardware or software using multipliers. Reduction of power in multiplication operation is a great importance in digital signal processing. Hence, low power balancing multiplier is designed by using GDI logic. With respect to parameters, power consumption, area estimated, and delay in hybrid fallacy multiplication technique is better than the other conventional scheme. We hope that the presented results will encourage future research activities on GDI technique. The issue of sequence of design with GDI is currently being explored as well as technology compared with for CMOS process. As can be seen from the results obtained by hybrid GDI multiplication scheme, is future extended to performs the multiplication of higher bits like 128, 256, and so on. The area estimated future reduced by applying different logics and different techniques.